y'all, welcome back. I'm gonna just do a real quick video on how to change out the safety selector on an AR-15. You know what I'm saying? Something real quick, something slight, something light. You know what I'm saying? Because the one on here, the one I told y'all in the previous video, terrible. Y'all see this, how this in the way. Safety all in the way, man. I don't know why they put that right there, man. That safety is in the way. Especially when you're in down position, in the fire position. When you're down like that, that's the fire position. The finger all in the way, man. I ate my hand up, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we finna change that bad boy on out. You dig what I'm saying? Yeah, that's too aggressive. I don't know why that's so, why they got that on there, man. Who would want a safety like that? You know what I'm saying? Even in a tactical situation, you don't want it to be overly aggressive. That's just my opinion. You know what I'm saying? That joint is super aggressive. Let's get rid of that joint right now. You dig? See the big difference? See how much better that's gonna be? See how much better that's gonna be? There go your selector right there. You know what I'm saying? That's how much better it's gonna be, man. I don't know why they had that aggressive joint on there, but that's how much better it's gonna be right there. That's cool right there, you know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all. Got my sleeves rolled up. Time to get down to work real quick, you know what I'm saying? I got a couple of my Allen wrenches right here. That's what you're gonna need to take out the screw and the safety. First, you need to replace and take off this grip. So I need to get down in there, take this grip off real quick. Take your Allen wrench, just screw down in the bottom of it. Also, it has a screw in there, but it has a spring also that's inside the grip. That what holds the safety in place. Got a spring and a detent in there. So you want to be careful when you're removing this grip to make sure you don't lose that spring. So here's your grip and your spring. Y'all can't see that, hold on. Here go your spring right here. That what holds the safety in place. So what you need to do now is remove the screw that's inside the ambidextrous safety. Take your Allen wrench and take that screw out of there. Like so. There goes one side. Awesome. That detent down in there. Come on out of there, buddy. Screw on both sides. Okay. So. Okay, once you have the old safety removed, you just put that to the side. And yeah, your little detent that fails out, you come out right here. You gotta put that back in there before you put the spring and stuff in place. And look, I'm a little left-handed, man. Y'all gotta forgive me. I'm left-handed, so it's all gonna look a little crazy. But just bear with me. There we go, like so. You're gonna put your grip back on there. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that spring goes into that hole. Y'all can see, I'm flicking, so hold on for a minute. Let me put it on this way, you know what I'm saying? A little flicked, you know what I'm saying? A little flicked. Make sure that spring goes into that hole. Like so. Let's see if we in a down position. Okay. Let's see. That's fine. Let's see. Here we go. Bad boy down in there. Let's see. Tighten, get it down there, get it nice and tight. See what we got. See what we got, y'all. Uh-oh, let's see what we got, y'all. That's what you want to hear. You see that? That's the safety. Let me put it on this side so y'all can see it. Safe, and that's your fire. You're safe and your fire. Let me give y'all a close up. There you go. You're safe, fire. That's your safe and your fire. Safe, fire. Down the fire, you know what I'm saying? There you have it, man. How to change out your safety. Something real quick, something slight, you know what I'm saying? Like I always say, take care of your weapons will take care of you. And that's another video for y'all. Thank y'all for subscribing, thank y'all for tuning in, and we out of here. Trophy bound throws for life. Yes, sir.